what we saw is that customer really like that they can actually use Insight Finder to detect both known and unknown problems, and they all can see like the accuracy of these alert noise, the accuracy of those problem detections is become much better because we are employing not just like simple threshold based or rule based alerting. We are doing multivariant unsupervised learning to model system normal behaviors and trying to find all the different deviations, right? And also we are not looking at the one metric or one log, like one type of log, individually. We're looking at things together. And so we can find the problems that basically traditional solutions cannot find.